system. Nervous system.
Okay. Good afternoon, dear students. We can start our next chapter, lesson 3, that is
Nervous system.
Okay, nervous system. Say, these all lessons you learned it, right? Muscular system. Then, which lesson you learned after muscular system?
Respiratory system.
Respiratory system. Okay, so these all lessons you learned it. See how the diaphragm moves down and upward direction to take the air into our body. Who controls it? Who controls it?
Lungs.
Brain. It is the brain. Okay, it is the brain. So
Brain.
Okay. Pranav, please help Pranav. Please mute your audio. See, we can hear some echo sound. So please keep it in muted position. Okay, good. So, diaphragm, the movement of the diaphragm, the movement of the lungs, the movement of the windpipe, these all are controlled by which organ? Brain. Yes, brain. Okay, very good. You all know about the functions of brain, right? Then, not only the respiratory system, digestion. Say, if you are keeping it in unmuted position, I will be distracted by the sound. Should I do that? If I am getting distracted, I can't take the class. So Pranav, please mute your audio. Okay, Aditi also, please mute and keep it in position. First mute it. Good. You can do whatever it is after muting. Okay, whatever means you can adjust the position. Okay, shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the digestion, the digestive system. You see, from the mouth, food goes to the stomach through the food pipe. There it starts working. Then small intestine also works on the food. Then large intestine also working on it. After that, in the last year, you learned the functions of excretory system, right? Excretory organs also are doing their own work. Like, who is controlling these all works, these all organs?
Brain.
So, brain is the control center of our body. We can say brain is the control center of our body. That is why it is advised to protect our brain properly. How can we protect our brain? How can we protect
by our skull and bones?
Natural protection is there for our brain as it is the skull. Okay, very good. Other than, how can we protect our brain? Some rules are there, road rules are there.
Ma'am, like computer itself only brain is working.
Yeah, so helmet. We have to wear, we must wear helmet when we are riding two-wheelers, okay? Because if anything happens, if we met with some accident, if anything happens to our brain, the function of the other organs also will affect by this. Okay, so if we fall down from somewhere, our hand or legs only have the fracture. But if we fall down by hitting on our brain is a jelly-like substance.
Yeah, ma'am, it will go.
It is, if any damage happens to the brain can't control the other organs at that time. Our full body functions won't be controlled. That won't be function. That is why it is important to protect our brain. So it is advised to wear helmets. It is advised to wear helmets while riding two-wheelers. Okay, don't break the rules. You also have to wear and also insist your parents or somebody, some relatives, if they are not using the helmets, you have to advise them. You have to inform them. Okay, this is very important. Okay, will you do it? Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should do. Okay, I
Ma'am,
know
some people don't just because the police will catch them.
okay, police
Not
catch.
for their own
Why,
safety.
why police catch them? Because to
Because
implement
for
the rules.
Following the rules.
thing.
To implement the rules that police is doing their duty, right? Okay. So if we are doing or we are protecting our body. So no need to care about police. Okay. So we have to learn about brain. Yes. So I told and you also told me that brain is the control center of our body. Yes,
Ma'am,
brain.
also brain works like computer.
Oh, very good. It also works like a computer. Okay. Very good. Then
CPU.
okay, CPU. Okay, okay. See, so brain alone is working for that for controlling this body.
No, other organs also working.
Yeah, some
Kidney,
other
like
organ. Kidney, no dear, it is
heart.
not the kidney. Okay, no. Don't say these all words. I will inform you. I will tell which all organs are associated in controlling, which all organs are associated with brain to control the body functions. Okay? Okay, so before that, I want to say what is the name? So brain. Who is howling? Who is making that sound? Whistling sound. Who is making that whistling sound? So this one, nervous system, right? So brain, along with the brain, some other organs also helping brain to control the all body functions. Okay, we can say that all organ system, the organ system which controls all the body function is called nervous system. In the last previous chapter, we learned about respiratory system. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Respiratory system.
About
The organ
breathing.
system. 1 minute. Who told that answer? Just tell me the name.
Ma'am, which breathings?
Respiratory system.
Sri Shankar.
Okay, Sri Shankar. What is a respiratory system? Can you tell the definition of that? The organ system.
The organ system that helps in respiration is called respiratory system.
Very good, very good. The same way, in the same way, the organ system which controls all the body functions is called the nervous system. Okay? Thomas and Emmanuel, Vinayak, please mute your audio. I want to share the screen. Okay? Can you see a whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it? Everybody can see it, right?
Yes,
Okay. So I am going to write on it. Okay. Everybody mute it, please. Somebody is singing. Is it a music class?
We have to write this.
Okay. So can you see this? Can you see it on the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nervous system.
Somebody is making a mess out of here. Who is that? Mute your audio. Everybody mute it. Shrestha, mute your audio. Shrestha, mute your audio. Mute it. Okay. Now I stop the sharing. Anandan Raj, when I share the screen, you should tell me what it is written on the board. Okay. Are you ready, Anandan?
Yes.
Okay. All others check it whether you can see the board or not. Okay.
I should read it.
Yes. Can you see this now?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read the word written on the board?
Nerve system.
Nervous system. Okay, can you tell the spelling? Can you read out that spelling?
And we have to write this.
Okay, I asked only Anandan Rai. So others at this time can check it whether this board is board you can see it or not.
Yes, ma'am, we
And
can see.
if you can see, you check the spelling of nervous system. Okay. Okay. Tell me, Anandan.
Nervous.
Okay, nervous. Then
SYS.
system.
SYS.
STEM. Am I right? So take a rough book and write this spelling. Nervous system. Take a rough book and I think you are keeping one rough book with you. So write down this spelling. Okay, nervous system. NERVOUS. This is the first new word in this chapter. Okay, nervous system. Nervous system. NERVOUS. So write down the spelling.
Environment. Maya, I should read it, ma'am.
No, dear. Just write down the spelling. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is the definition. We should write this in the
No need. It is there all. Everything is there in the textbook. See, those don't have the textbook, I will be sending some notes, right?
Okay.
So you can 1 minute. Okay. See, you can write the spelling of nervous system. New words you can write. Okay. Are you writing down spelling? Is it over?
Yes.
Okay.
I wrote it.
Okay, very good. See, what is nervous system? Okay. Can you see the board? Everybody, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes, okay. So, nervous system means the organ system. The organ system which controls all the body function is called nervous system. Pranav, today you are not attentive in the class and pay attention to this class. See, the organ system which controls all the body functions is called the nervous system. Okay, as we learned about the other organ system. No need to write. Read it from the board. Read it from the board. Write down the spelling of nervous system. It is a new word. Okay, so the organ system which controls all the body functions.
Ma'am, we should write this.
Definition, no need to write down. It is there in the textbook. After the class, you can read it from the textbook and can underline those sentences. Okay? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
I told you only to write down the spelling of the new word of this chapter. That is the nervous system. Got it? Got it? So, Avantika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read the sentence in which is there in the board? There on the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please read. Others can listen.
The organ system which controls all the body function is called the nervous system.
Very good. Nervous system. Okay. So let me ask you, Ahil, Sri Shankar.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahil, can you tell me what is the name of the organ system? What is the name of the organ system which controls all the body functions?
Brain. No, nervous system.
Very good. It is the nervous system. Okay. So another one, Shrestha. Are you ready to answer me? Shrestha. Shrestha. Shrestha, I think we'll come back to her. Advika. 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 She is also. Advika, can you hear me, Advika? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the name of the organ system? Name of the organ system which controls all the body functions.
Brain.
Sorry. I am asking about organ system. Name of the organ system.
Nervous system.
Okay, organ system. The name of the organ system is nervous system. Okay, now mute your. Okay, so mute it. Okay, so now we can learn about parts of nervous system. I told you it is not only the brain that controls the body function. Some other organs also are associated
heart.
with brain. Heart?
Can I say?
No.
Brain,
Yes,
If we
brain, nerves, the spinal cord.
Okay, good. Brain, spinal cord, then
Nerves.
okay, nerves. Okay. Let me 1 minute. Okay.
Lungs.
Okay. This one. Let me share the screen.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Please.
Ma'am, today you will send the notes, right?
Today we will. Okay. Let me check it. Okay. I think very few questions are taken. Let me check it. Okay. So parts. So can you see the board?
yes,
Everybody, can you
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
board?
Yes,
Okay. You can see it's white color, right?
Don't pencil. Also.
Okay. You can. So
Just pencil lines. Ma'am.
okay. Everybody, mute your audio. Everybody, mute your audio. At the beginning itself, I told it. We can see which are the parts of nervous system. Okay. It is already Angelina told which are the parts of nervous system. Okay, parts. I hope you can see the board, right? Parts of nervous system. Which is the main part of nervous system?
Brain.
Brain.
No doubt it is the brain.
Brain. First
Brain.
part.
More important part of the
First
nervous
part.
system, it is the brain.
Brain.
Okay, along with the brain, the other part it is the spinal cord. The spinal cord. See, these all are new words. So along with the okay, along with the somebody's audio is not in good. See. Who is that? Who is that? Pranav, please check your audio. It's producing some disturbing sound. Okay. Please check the net connection. Okay. I think so. Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So today you learned one new word, that is the nervous system. Okay. I hope you have written that in the rough book, right? So along with the new word, just write down the spelling of brain. I know you all know the spelling of brain, but write down it. Okay. Second one, spinal.
Right.
Okay, spinal cord. Okay, C-O-R-D. Spinal cord. The second part of the nervous system is spinal cord. See, can I ask Angelina Martin? Angelina Martin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read the spelling of spinal cord
Yes, ma'am.
so that others can? Yeah. Yes. P.
SPINALCORD. Spinal
Okay.
cord.
Spinal cord. Okay. Spinal cord. This you have to write and study the spelling. Okay. Third
I know the
Ma'am, I
spelling.
cannot see anything, ma'am.
Who can't see anything? Who is saying that? Who is that one? So I am stopping Sharon. Okay.
Aditi.
Aditi. Aditi. Say others can see the board, right?
Yes, ma'am. We all can see.
Okay. Okay. See. Okay. Ridan, please mute your audio. Okay. See, I am calling some students for to read it from the board. It is for checking whether it is they can see it or not. Okay.
Okay.
If some students, if they can't see it, maybe some network issues, you can wait for it. Okay. Ridan, mute your audio. Okay, mute it. Everybody should mute it. Ridan, please mute it. Okay, good, good. So shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Parts,
Yes, ma'am.
3 parts of nervous system. First one is brain. Second one, the spinal cord. And the third part is the nerves. N-E-R-V-E-S. N-E-R-V-E-S. Shiva Gayatri. Shiva Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the spellings of nerves.
NER.
Only NER is there. Shiva Gayatri, please read it.
NER.
Okay, it's not clear. Okay, just mute it. Vinayak.
Can I?
Okay, 1 minute. Vinayak. Vinayak.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the spelling. Sorry. Nerve. Nerve spelling. Third one.
NER.
Okay.
VES.
Okay, nerves. Okay. Hridan, please unmute your audio and keep it in right position. Don't displace it. Just keep it in one position. Your phone or something what you are using. Yeah. Don't move it. Okay. First mute it, dear. Mute it. Mute it. Okay. So now these are the main parts of nervous system. Okay. Along with the brain, as brain controls all the body functions of our all body function. Along with this brain, the spinal cord and nerves also help us to control the body function.
Ma'am, what is
Yes. Who is
spinal cord?
spinal. That I will explain one by one. Okay. That I will explain it one by one. So first we can say about, yes. I think it is the time to wind up our session. So today we
Thank you,
learned
ma'am.
about 1 minute. Don't leave. Just hear it. Today we learned about what is a nervous system. Okay.
Ma'am, brain.
Okay. After that we discuss about the parts of nervous system. Okay. So 4 new words we learned it today. You have to write and study those spellings. Don't mistake the nervous system and the nerves. Write and study those spellings properly.
Okay, ma'am.
For the next class, I will say somebody is going on talking. Pita, mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next class, I will ask the spellings. Okay, I will keep a dictation. Okay, so
Spelling test.
Okay, ma'am. Dictation, yeah, of the 4 words.
Yeah, forward. We can learn about the functions of these parts of nervous system. Okay. So,
Dictation is only 4 words.
4 words. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is asking?
today is my birthday, ma'am. Vishnu.
Okay, Vishnu. Many happy returns of the day, Vishnu. God bless you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
What is the spelling of birthday?
Vishnu, what is the spelling? Sir is asking. What is the spelling of birthday? Oh, it is written on the birthday. What is the spelling?
Can I say?
And can I?
So, let's to give you permission. Okay.
What have you written, Vishnu? Birthday, what spelling? You read the spelling you have written?
Today.
Eh? Is it B-I-R-T-H or B-R-I-T-H?
BIRTHDAY.
Then why did you write breathe? B-R-I-T-H. Correct the spelling, okay? Okay.
So, now
Thank
it is
you,
the
ma'am.
time to wind up my session. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, dear
Thank you,
students.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.